Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to minimize delay in Brawl Stars. While achieving true zero delay is technically impossible due to the physics of network communication, you can significantly reduce latency. Our goal is to get as close as possible to an instantaneous response, giving you a crucial competitive advantage. We will cover several key areas to help you achieve the lowest possible delay in your gameplay experience. Your network connection is one of the most critical factors. For the most stable and fastest data transfer, always opt for a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi whenever possible. Additionally, verify that your internet service provider delivers low ping and ample bandwidth, perhaps 100 megabits per second or more, specifically for gaming. Remember to close any background applications that might be consuming valuable network resources. Beyond your network, your device's performance plays a vital role. Utilize a high-performance device featuring a fast processor and sufficient RAM to handle the game smoothly. It is crucial to close all unnecessary background applications, ensuring that 100% of your device's processing power is dedicated to Brawl Stars. Regularly updating both your device's operating system and the game application itself also contributes significantly to optimal performance. Finally, consider your in-game settings and environment. Always choose game servers that are geographically closest to your physical location to minimize data travel time. Reducing your in-game graphics settings can significantly lower the processing load on your device, leading to smoother gameplay. If you must use a wireless connection, ensure you play in an environment with minimal electromagnetic interference, as this can disrupt your signal and introduce unwanted delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.